Hello lovely people, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm just going to show everyone how I make my okra soup or stew. Let's get started. I'm doing outdoor cooking, so I have my chopped okra here and I'll be boiling it till it becomes semi-soft. So I've just added my water in there. I'll let it boil. Then after it boils, I'll prepare my stew that I'll be adding into it. The okra is done, so I'm now going to make my stew. I have palm oil here and I'll be adding some fresh fish into it. I'll fry it for 5 minutes, then I'll take it off from the palm oil and then make my stew. Please, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. To my old subscribers, thank you for always visiting this channel and always watching my videos. My fish has been frying for 5 minutes now, so I'll just take it away and set it aside. Then I'll go ahead and add some simple ingredients, which are tomatoes, onions, and green chili pepper. I'm using just these three. I'm not adding ginger nor garlic. I just want it to be simple. And I bet you that if you try this, it's going to be awesome. So this is my egusi or agushi. That is the powdered one. So I'm just adding a little water to it to make it into a paste. Then I'll add it into this frying stew and give it some 5 minutes to cook before I stir it. I want to get the chunks or the little chunks in it. That's why I'm leaving it for 5 minutes. You can see how it has turned out. But if I had stirred it after pouring it immediately, I will not get this texture that I wanted. So it's always good when you pour the egusi paste inside, you let it cook for 5 minutes. So I've just added my fish powder, salt, seasoning cube, and some mixed spices. I'll give this a quick stir, then I'll add some tomato paste to it. After adding my tomato paste, I will let everything fry for additional 5 minutes and I'll just add it into my okra that I cooked earlier. With okra stew or soup, you can use it for banku, kenke, tz, that is tuwo zafi, banku tuwo, a lot of things. You can use it for a lot of things. So this is my okra that I cooked earlier on. So I've added my stew, just rinsing the saucepan, and I'm adding that one too into it. I'll add my fish that I fried earlier on, and I'll let everything cook for additional 7 minutes before I go ahead to serve my okra soup. With mine, I'll be enjoying it with banku, but you can choose to use it for any other dish that you have. This looks so nice. So this is my banku that I stirred, and we'll be enjoying it together as a family. Just look at how colorful this soup looks. In boiling my okra, I didn't use potash or baking soda. I just boiled it like that and everything was perfect. But if you want it to have this slimy texture, you can add your potash or baking soda to it. But I just want it this way. See how beautiful this is. I hope to see your comments in the comment section after you have made yours and enjoyed it. Hope to see you next time. Bye.